It's a rolling billboard. That's what I've kind of joked with guys. We've got a rolling billboard for firefighters. I mean, like Local 20, it's important for us, but just firefighters in general. I mean, it won't just be in Hamilton, it'll be all over the county. And I can say this from working at BCRTA, working at Fitting Center and StreetSpark, travel Butler County, everything throughout every turn, Tommy Long, Limber Grenade, City of Hamilton, everybody, it was always, this was just going to be a cool way to honor and remember and just be, like I said, a rolling billboard reminding people of the work that first responders do. The things that really made it personal were the added touches to it, like the view of the city, the courthouse where we lost 3 members all those years ago, that we honored them today, 112 years ago they gave their lives for this city. But then to look at 13 stars with initials on them, I mean, that's out of that mural and on that bus, I mean, that was the most important thing to have on there. A lot of other things could be moved and changed and taken away, but those 13 stars and those initials, we had to have those. And so when people see those, hopefully they're reminded of that sacrifice, because we think about that every day, those 13 members that have died for this city.